Hello everyone, my name is Radheshyam Kumar Chaurasia and I am going to explain my project name Pulse AI. It is very simple and very useful project. Its main goal or focus is to fetch or extract AI news or any other news from different sources and then summarize them and give the user for quick summary and short summary for the news or any related news. It is basically just to save time and also give quick overview in short or long paragraph of AI news or any other news. In the own statement, it is concepts overload from techniques. Article are long, complex and time-consuming, difficult for busy users and visually impaired users to consume news quickly. Nowadays, people has no much more time to teach to read so many paragraphs of news. Whether the news is much more useful, people have no much more time to read the large paragraph of news. And nowadays, news are coming within a minute, within a time, within a day also. And there are so many news coming within a day, within a minute. And the people and the news are also coming in long paragraph and lengthy way. So, in solution overview, I created a Pulse AI which fetch different news related to different sector also or a category, and it convert a short and quick summary of the large paragraph news, and it also provide listen in Hindi and English also. And you can also save the summary of the AI news to be in futures also. The process flow or of the projects, when a user login in the systems, mm, they have to select a category, like which category or which kinds or what kind of news he or she want to listen or he or she want to read, or take a quick overview of any AI news. While anyone select a category, then the systems is different source. Then the systems fetch news from different sources and provide a quick summary of the AI news. Also, there is a service for a functions to listen the summary in Hindi and English also. Also, there is a logout button. From there, any users can log out. And again, the process is the key features of the projects. It fetch live news from different sources and provide in one platforms. Also provide an AI summarizations of the large paragraph AI news in short and quick overviews. It also provides to listen the news in Hindi and English also to save the articles as per the users. In the technology, what kind of tech project I have used? In front-end UI, I use Streamlets, which is Python-based device. Streamlets is a quick overview of any. It is not a production-based UI. And in AI, in past I used Google Gemini in the projects, but there sort of quota limit exists for my API key, so I use Cook AI 3.3 models to summarize the AI news. I use Firestore database to store the saved summarizations of different users. For the authentications, I use Firebase authentications, and in APIs, my system calls different API from different websites like News APIs and RSS feeds. The main role of Firebase in my system is that it stores the user accounts and also save the articles which was saved by the specified users in their own accounts, and also generate the summary of the news which are saved in their account or their ID. It separate all users from one to another. It means that every users have their own choice to select their category and stuff saved for the news. It also it is also a reusable systems, like it always fetch live news from different sources. It is running means anyone in the systems, then it see the news released which are released at their times, or which are new in the news, means the news which are released frequently, or which are released in the news which release as per the times. The ordering of the news are shown, means that if a news are really when I log in the systems at 3 p.m., and the systems show different news that come before 3 p.m. And the ordering of the news is like that. The news which come first, like which comes last, means that the news which come 250, that show first, and the news which come 245, that show after the 250 news. It means that the news which come first are shown in the first, and the news which come before which are shown in the last. That type of ordering is also maintained in the systems. And this is the last of the paragraph. This is the last slide of my projects, and I will also show you a demo of my projects. When anyone enter on my project of the systems, there's a login and sign up buttons. So the users which are new to sign up first here, their email ID and passports, which are no more not a real passport of Gmails. They have to log in. They have to sign up first, which create a bucket type or a database for a users in Firebase store. And after sign up, the users have to log in the same with the same email and the password. Once the users log in the systems, just to some things, the password is put at the rate 123. This is also anyone can use the email and password to see the demo of the projects. Once anyone log in the systems, the UI look like this. Technology news. The category which select shown in the shown here. It means I am it, anyone opens first uh, or login first is first to the technology news, and I have anyone can see the news related to different sector, like business, entertainment, science. When I click on the science news, it shows the science news, which comes that type of ordering is over here. When I click on the business news, so the business news, it is the news from different sources. It mainly fetch news from three websites: BBC News, News API, and E News also. And there is also a next page, which go to the next In one tab, there is 1 to 10 limit of a news, and the news, how many news are come, and new news which are shown in the, and one page there is 10 news, in next page there is 10 news that come first, and which are mm, you go to the next page and previous page, you can see, and in one tab there are only 10 news. And there is also a dark mode and light mode options, which is not much more useful for the project. The main focus of the project, or the main goal of the project, is to fetch different news from different sources and provide in one platform. And once anyone saved a news, when I click on save button, it saved the news. When I click on the save button, it saved the news, and it show tick sign that the news are saved successfully, and the saved news or articles shown here, like the news related to Rivalry and rumors, how the new order of the merchant dynasty is playing out. The when I saved the news, it's showing the saved article tab. Let's see. In saved article tab, Rivalry, the validities and rumors, how the new order, the news are saved here. And when I click on the summarize, it summarizes the news, and you can also listen the news in the and English. This is the systems are powered by Group Llama 3.3 models. It fetch news from News API, G News, and RSS feeds. And you see here, the release date of the news means date December 24, 2025, 3:09 p.m. The news which are released, or which are released first, are shown here. It means that it's to the latest news. Once I click on the summarize buttons, when the news are saved or not, once I click on the summarize buttons, it summarize the large news into, once I click on the news, it go to the news part, news websites. Here you see you can into technology here, there so much paragraph and ads that you have shown, and you can't understand what the news related to. Also, I quick summarize the news, what actually the news is telling, the UK introductions like here, and you can also listen in English and Hindi also.